Hello everyone, what's going on guys? Welcome back again to Coin Zone. Today I'm back for you guys for another video, and as you can see here we are about to explain or introduce to you one of the best projects about mining Filecoin in my opinion at the meantime. So as you can see here we are on LuckyHash, which is a mining company. These guys are doing really hard work lately, so I'll try to explain every single detail about the project. But before we start, as you can see here, this video is only for education purposes. It's not as investment advice. I'm not a financial advisor at all. I'm just reviewing projects which is good in my opinion. So as you can see here, these guys, let's start with the event. They have event here. You can invite your friends if you have no capital, because I see some guys don't have money to invest. I got you guys. I have a really crypto gem project for you. Let's start with the event. They have event. You can win up to 150 USDT just from inviting your friends, and you can, as you can see here, this is the event. You can get 3 USDT per friend. So if you invited 2 friends, it will be like 6 USDT. If you invited 10 friends, it will be 30 USDT, and you also will get commission rate and hash rate for free hash rate products. As you can see here, details are as follow. If you invited, for example, 5 friends, you will get 15 USDT and the commission rate is 4%. You will get also a free hash contract period, 7 days for a week, and also we have here the commission rate and the hash rate per referral. So if you invited 15 users, you will get 10% commission rate, which is really high guys, because if they invest you will get a lot of money, and also you will get hash rate contract period for 3 whole months. So that's really good for you guys. You can make you can make a lot of money from it, and then you can invest it back in the company. They have short and long time products that you will be impressive of it. As you can see, here's notice the referral is considered useful successful as long as they complete the KYC verification. And here is bonus. They have a lot of rewards to distribute. They have here bonus for new LuckyHash users. Every new user can claim for 1 tip hash rate to mine Filecoin for 3 days and 10% off coupons. So that's really good for you, for every new user to the project. We have here also, you can contact them from Telegram group or Telegram channel. They are making a lot of events announcements there. We have here notices 10% of the coupons can be used on only short time products with contact period within 30 days. Okay, the coupon remain valid for 30 days. The commission and the product rewards will be issued in 7 days after the end date. Okay, so this event, as you can see here. Also, if you have any problems, please feel free to contact them via Telegram. I'll leave the link down below in the description, of course, so you can simply go search them. LuckyHash on Telegram. LuckyHash reverses the right to interpret the event of inviting friends and earning crypto. Also, they have a dissimilar here about the assist the crypto, So as you can see, this is the event that I wanted to mention in the first part of the video. Also, we have here the announcements. As you can see, let's open it to get the announcements. As you can see, this is the event as well. You can get it from the announcements here. It's from 2 November until 12 November. Okay, this is the time of it. You can also get it from the announcements here. Okay guys, so as you can see, we are here now on the official website of the coin. I will show you how to make account first. Okay, so I'm gonna go and log out. So you have to click on get started. From here you can sign up to your account, or from here you can download the app, scan your QR code. Okay, here's, you can type your full name, last name, email address, password, and then you can confirm the password and confirm the agreement, the service agreement, and then you can go and log in. So I'm gonna log in to show you all the information about the products, my profits and all of this stuff. So here we have all the hash rates, the fill hash rate. Okay, you can get fill mining, Filecoin mining reward within 2 weeks, 7 plus 7. As you can see here, here's the APY. It's so high, as you can see, 280%. The unit price is $8, only $8. And as you can see, the volume token, we have here the sector, the contract period is 7 days, the unit, the total volume, and all of this. So this is like a short time you can buy it. We have also here 15 plus 15 and 2 months plan. It has, as you can see, 400%. Oh my god guys, and the unit price is only $30. So this is unbelievable, guys. They are doing so much rewards for you, hot offers and new offers, and we got here the long time. It's for 540 years. You can get 250%. Oh my god, for this long period you still have the high APY. The unit price is $500 and the contract period is for 540 days, so like 1.5 years or 2 years. From here is the referral system. As I told you, you can send an invitation from here, copy the link and go in, invite your friends. We have here my profits, my mining account. I have from Filecoin. I have some balance from here. Here's my capital account. You can transfer the money any time you want. From deposit here, you can deposit or transfer from here, from your mining account to the capital account, or the opposite. Okay, you can just type the quantity and then you can confirm. From here you can deposit. The only acceptable currency is USDT. You may use your assist permanently if you deposited another coin. Here's the addresses, and the minimum deposit is just $1, so you don't have to worry about anything. Just you can get profits and get your capital bigger and bigger. Here your deposit will arrive after 60 confirmations, and the withdrawal will you will get it. You will be able to get it after 60 confirmations as well. As you can see, you can make sure that your browser is safe to avoid getting your information leaked or hacked or something. Here's the orders history. Okay, you can search and get your profits, see the plans you already bought, and all of this stuff. From here is your account. You can secure your account by verifying the phone number or Google Authenticator, and also here's the coupons and the account security, and you can verify your end time. So from here the referrals, as I showed you how to buy a fill hash rate. You can Filecoin hash rate. You can click on more information, and before you buy you have to deposit, as I told you, and you can buy from here simply and get your profits immediately, or they will start to work, and you will be able to get the file mining reward within 2 weeks. Okay, so as you can see here, they have also social media accounts. If you have any question, you can go and ask them. They will solve all of your problems. Also, they have translation. If you can't speak English, they have translation here in the website, where you can simply translate by Google Translator here. So you can go to luckyhash.com, or I can simply give you the link. Okay, the link down below in the description, you will find it. Okay, so we are here. We finished the event, and now I'm gonna explain you the whole website, like a website short review or something. As you can see, we are here on the website. So I'll tell you also how to make accounts and all of this stuff later in the video. As you can see here, profit with LuckyHash and build Web 3.0 from Filecoin mining. So there's a coin called Filecoin mining. They are calling it as well the new Bitcoin, because this coin is making a lot of profits. But the hard thing is, if you wanted to mine this coin, you have to build very professional machines and get or hire more than 100 professional team. They need reviews to the machines and a lot of things that you have to do before you mine Filecoin. Okay, and also you will wait for too long, maybe many years, to get your profits. But these guys, they got you. They will do all of this work. All you have to do is just buy a product, and they will get you profits. Okay, so even when you are sleeping, your Filecoin earnings are rolling in, because as you can see, you can invest only from your mobile phone. You don't have to do anything. Here is the localized and globalized. As you can see, they have miners everywhere, and also the fill productions, the total users. As you can see, they have users from all over the world. Here is the they are telling you that they are professional and trustful. You can also try the short time products to see the effect. Okay, they have 24/7 maintained by specialized with 10 years experience. They have the experience. They have 24/7 support. They have professional team, which you can contact them via Telegram. Get started at ease, open to nobody, no professional skills taken, managing no managing machine. Yes, mining start the second you complete the process, so you will profits will rolling in just you have to buy a product. Okay, here's the on-chain data. They have the data. They have also lucky bonus for the beginners, free trail. You can get a free trail to come rewards, and also you can get a huge discount up to 200 USDT off. So from here you can get started. Here's the partners as well. As you can see, they have a lot of partners. Here's full wallet, Filecoin.org. It's all about Filecoin, and a lot of famous platforms. We have here your entry will make LuckyHash luckier community. You can join from here, from clicking here, or from here. Also we have more missions. Okay, we have here more missions about them. They aim to a world-class crypto service provider. They will, they have here all the informations, what are they doing exactly, so you can check it. I will leave the link down below in the description. If you are interested, you can go check it out. So as you can see here also, what is special about them, what are they doing: localizing the mining farms and making cloud mining attainable anywhere with the clever service customization for different cultures and backgrounds. Here's simply the product economy and make user-friendly or top license so anyone can keep pace with blockchain development. Deposit. He's here insight to the field, and also stick to the latest trend in the tech and privacy to the product eco. Help the users engaging with the blockchain world in the first place. Industry veterans who are not happy with how blockchain products are serving, they solve the problems, all the problems. And as you can see, product developers will believe only the user-oriented experience can be the solution. GitZ follows the main force to reach our future in all aspects. Here is the social media links, you can check it out. Also we have Twitter here and Telegram and all of this stuff. So let's get back to the site. If you wanna submit tickets, you can submit it by here. They will help you, they will do their best. They also have lotteries, giveaways on Twitter. You can go check it out. And thank you guys for your support on the last videos. I really get happy when I see your comments. So that was the video. I hope you like it. If you have any question, you can leave it at the comments. I'll reply to all of you as much as I can. Okay, so thank you guys again, and see you guys next video. Peace out.